Hello everybody, this is Mike. Today I'm going to introduce you how to build a beautiful landing page very quickly without any credit card needed. So basically today we will introduce 3 free tools online. Of course you can pay for that, but to get started it's pretty free. So when we look at my screen, you can see 3 different tabs. The first tab is Lovable. So you can see many examples down below, from these templates, and you can click Get Started. Use your maybe Google account to sign in, and continue. Then you will see this kind of lovable workspace, basically, and you can do the kind of build stuff. So I will quickly introduce you other products before we get started. So the other one is a Google AI Studio, basically aistudio.google.com. So you can click the left-hand side, which is Build tab. So you can build a website here. And the third one is Bolt. You can also sign in and give your prompt here. So I would sign in with Google again. And select my account. Right, currently I'm signed in. So you can select models here. I believe some are pretty expensive. So let me switch back to Lovable. So how do we have a website? So I think you need several different things. The first thing is your requirements. So for example, I'm going to start a YouTube channel, and I will have all my social media links there. So I can give you the use case maybe or maybe your requirements, right? The second part is what is your audience? My audience is for business owners or maybe for anybody who wants to start a startup. So maybe target audience. So basically you need to prompt for the several cases. So what the third one is what design do you want? So you'd like to maybe start to use something like mobbin.dev. So I'm not sure it's this website, Mobbin, Mobbin. So it is like a UI UX design website, and it also show you great designs, and but you have to sign in it for some payments, and there are some alternatives. So basically here I want to go very deep for that. So but for now I will go to let's see if I found a great website. Let's see, maybe Ali Abdel website, and I would give your reference image here maybe, and it can be uploaded, and I will also say it's you can similar website, yeah. Target audience, I will repeat again, it's business owners, small business owners who want to use AI. And this is my prompt, and the use case is for my landing page for Mike Chong, which is a YouTuber, also an AI startup, doing AI startups. So I want to share my knowledge about AI to apply to your own businesses to help you to start. So basically we want something like this, and we can start the kickoff basically the building of this. And we can also start it here at the aistudio.google.com/apps or maybe build. And we can also get the website here because it's pretty beautiful, I see. And you will upload here and it will start. I will skip the notification here. And at Bolt, you can also upload the prompts here, and you can start. So basically, the initial kickoff of the AI to building your AI website on these 3 websites are pretty simple. Basically, you need to write as much as you can here in the prompt. If you do not know what to write, you can discuss with ChatGPT, and then you copy and paste the whole ChatGPT history to here, and this AI will know more. So what I'm going to do here is like I will be pausing for like a few minutes before we get the whole landing page ready, right? So this is like our first step to build the prompt, the like AI landing page builders like bot.new or maybe aistudio.google.com and lovable.dev. So these three websites can build like very quickly without you setting up like a local development environment. So usually you can build this for free, and it can replace like very expensive like agencies. So the next step is like about your alignment of this website generated. So basically you can see this website. It is from Lovable, and even have like me portfolio like images pretty like Simon Liu or like the Avenger. And the other part from like Google is also great. You can see also something like the great landing pages, and also bot. I think a bot is like pretty the most like mediocre ones, but you can still play around with it. So, and we can also check our reference page, and it's pretty great compared this one. So basically you can save like at least $200 per now for like outsourcing, right? So the next step is like basically you can use like a visual edits on Lovable. You can select the text. So maybe here I see I want to change this to hello, I am Mike. Maybe something like that, and the AI will help you to change this very quickly. So on Google, I believe they also have something very similar. Let's see, focus mode, and start with focus mode. You can see here, same prompt. I want to change it, hello, I'm Mike. So you can adjust the tiny details as you want with AI. So here you can also use a select on board. You can see I want to change it to hello, I am Mike. So you can see AI has done this and iteratively, and it's very quick. Imagine you are the boss, you hire somebody to do that, like a design or website agency. Nowadays you can do it very like free, which basically you can do it online with a lot of free tools. And you can see that maybe it still take time. So while waiting, I'm also like to share another tool called V0. Basically, you can also do the same thing, and it also has like great free tier, so you can use that. So like after some like adjustment, so you may want to know like how to do it. Like maybe if I'd like to deploy it, maybe build a website. So I will show you the first step. Maybe you can download the web pages, source code maybe, and into local, and you can use your favorite tools to maybe adjust that if needed. And then in the next video, we will discuss the first one. We'll buy the domain, and when we play it maybe in production. But keep in mind all these tools have like a publish button, so you can basically continue and basically publish it in like web internet, the whole internet. So the only thing you can notice here is like the URL is not your own domain or not your own branding, so they will likely charge for that. So that's the own like drawbacks maybe. So this is for like Lovable, but also applies to like Google's AI Studio. You can publish here and connect to your Google Cloud. And the beautiful part of this kind of AI agentic coding tools online, you can download the whole project as like a zip file. And in the next video, we will tell you how to deploy it for free. You just need like $10 to buy a domain. So you can do that. If you love this video, please let me know, and you can actually download all the like project files if needed and tweak it locally. So basically, this is just a very beginning. I really enjoy to teach you how to build a website, and you can tweak it here more and more, and you have the whole chat history. And thanks for watching. I am Mike. See you next time. Bye bye.